Hello, ladies and gents. I've gotten a couple questions about what you need to be doing for Project 1, the draft work that you're going to be submitting this week. So I want to make sure that we're very clear on what you need to be doing. You are going to be submitting 2 materials, the first of which is a full-length draft of your essay, and the second of which is your rough draft of your flyer that you've created for this group. So I want to show you a couple examples real quick so you can see a little additional clarification on this assignment. These examples are pulled from some past classes. They are not necessarily perfect work, but they do give us a nice idea of what we are looking for. So this particular person looked at a specific group within a church, a missionary group in particular, and so they did their profile draft, and you'll note that this is a nice full-length profile draft including images. All the images do need to have figure numbers. We include the image, we have the footnote, and we have the citation there. So all of that needs to be in play in your rough draft. So you should have a full draft of your essay including images and also including references. If you did not take the picture yourself, it does need to be cited both in the body of the essay and in the references page. Once you have all that done, you will also be submitting a sample flyer for your group. This should be primarily a visual type of document that's going to engage your reader, grab their attention, and help them learn more about this group in a more visual heavy way. So this flyer is okay, but it's got a lot of text. This one is quite text heavy. We want to avoid that in our flyers. We want to make sure that they're mostly visual and they use the elements of visual design that we've been learning about also. They should always have contact information and how to get involved if somebody was interested. Here's another example of what one of these flyers could look like. This one is much more representative of what we're looking for in that it is more visual and relies less on the text. So this is another example, and then I've got one more to show you here. So you want these images to be colorful. You want them to contain the necessary information if someone was interested in getting involved. And you want them to be engaging to your target audience. So a lot of things that we're trying to accomplish in these flyers. And you can do them through a couple different mediums. Our project instructions offer you some help there as well. So that's just a quick overview. You are going to be submitting a full-length rough draft, including citations and images, and you are going to be submitting a draft of your flyer that advertises your chosen profile group. Those are the 2 things you're going to be submitting, both to the peer review and to the instructor review assignments in Canvas. I'm looking forward to seeing how your ideas come together. Reach out if you have any questions, and keep up the good work.